Hello everyone, I am Vamik Khan, currently pursuing BLLB from Vivekanand College of Law, Aligarh. Currently I am also legal intern at Lexis and Company Law Firm. So my presentation topic is checks, meaning and its types. So in this presentation we discuss about check and its types and meaning. So what is a check and its types? So check meaning type dishonor uses. A check is a bill of exchange drawn on a specified banker and not expressed to be payable otherwise than on demand, and it includes the electronic image of a truncated check and a check in the electronic form. Definition: according to section 6 of Negotiable Instruments Acts, a check is a bill of exchange drawn on a specified banker and not expressed to be payable otherwise than on demand, and it includes the electronic image of a truncated check and a check in the electronic form. Types of checks: open check, to get cash from the counter at the bank, then this check is called an open check. In other words, to get cash from the to get cash from the counter and deposit the check in his account and pass to someone by signing on the back. Second, crossed check. In open checks, there is a risk of the theft, and it can be avoided by issuing other types of checks, is known as a crossed checks. It only transfers the account of the payee. Bearer check, a check which is payable to anyone who presents it for payment at the bank counter. These types of the check are to be known as a bearer check. Order check, a check which is payable to a particular person. This type of check is known as order check. Blank check, blank check contains a drawer, a signature only, and leaves the other columns. Stale check. Stale check means a check which is more than 6 months old. Mutilated check. Mutilated check means if the check is torn into 2 or pieces. Post-dated check. Post-dated check means if check bears a date later than date of issue. Gift check. Gift check means checks that are used for offering a presentation on any occasion. Traveler's check. Traveler checks means check issued by the bank for remittance of money from one place to another place. Parties to check. Drawer, the person who draws the check. Drawee, the person who is directed to pay the amount written on the check. Payee, the person to whom the amount is to be paid. Section 138, dishonor of check. Negotiable Instruments Act 1881 is provided in section 138, which contains dishonor of check. Dishonor of check when if funds are sufficient in the account and signature. Mismatch. Dishonor of check is an offence which extends up to 2 years or fine or with both. When the bank refuses to pay the check, when the bank refuses to pay the amount of check to the payee, it means dishonor of check. Uses of check. Uses of checks. It is convenient to receive money. Check is convenient for receiving money without cash. Receipt need not to be obtained if payment made by cross check. When in the check we cross by the pen we cross the check by the pen, then it is not the payment. Then receipt not to be obtained if payment, because we cross on the check. Amount remains intact when crossed check loss. When cross check loss, then amount is remained on anyone's account, on someone bank's account. An automatic record of the account is maintained in banker's book when payments made by the check. When payments pay by someone, then in the bank books the record of check is written. So this is all about checks, and if you have any question related to check, please mention in the comment box. And this video is not for any such kind of promotion and advertisement. This is only for education purpose. Please like this video and share this video, and subscribe Lexis and Company Law Firm channel. Thank you and have a nice day.